guide you how to fix if you cannot receive calls on Motorola phones. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on system and click on reset option. If you want to fix this problem, so click on reset network settings, enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on sound and vibration and click on do not disturb. If you want to fix this problem, so make sure turn off do not disturb mode. After turn off do not disturb mode, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so restart phone. Just click on hold side power button and volume up button at the time. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon. You will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so reinsert SIM card. Remove SIM tray. After remove SIM tray, clean. After cleaning, again insert SIM tray. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.